Hello everyone! Today we have OnePlus's latest beast, the OnePlus 15, on the table or on the screen. We haven't physically held the phone yet, but the announced official features and technical specifications are truly jaw-dropping. You'll be amazed when you hear about the battery capacity. OnePlus seems to have changed its strategy this year. Hasselblad is out, pure power and battery are in. Let's take a closer look at all the features of the OnePlus 15. The first thing that catches our attention is the design language. OnePlus has moved away from the old curved screen and soft lines to a more angular, flat frame. Material, glass back, aluminum frame on the sides. Appearance, the sides of the phone have a flat design reminiscent of the iPhone series. This completely changes the feel of the grip. Colors, available in colors such as infinite black, ultraviolet, and sandstorm. Durability, with IP69 certification, it offers one of the highest levels of protection against water and dust. Let's move on to the display. On the display front, the OnePlus 15 has sacrificed a bit of resolution to focus on speed. Panel, we have a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel. AMOLED screens are a popular choice in new model phones, and this one is no exception. Speed. This is very important. The screen has a refresh rate of 165 Hz. While most flagship phones on the market stay at 120 Hz, OnePlus is giving gamers a nod here. Resolution. It has a resolution that can be described as 1.5K. Opting for this instead of the 2K panel in the OnePlus 13 is likely a move to further extend battery life. Brightness. Peak brightness values also promise comfortable use in sunlight. Compared to the new iPhone model, it falls slightly short. Now, let's get to the biggest feature of this phone. Hold on tight, folks. Capacity. The OnePlus 15 has a 7,300 mAh battery inside. Yes, you heard right. We're used to seeing 5,000 to 5,500 mAh batteries in flagship phones. But OnePlus has raised the bar with its silicon carbon battery technology. Charging speed. To charge this massive battery, the global version offers 120-watt fast charging support, while the US version offers 80-watt fast charging support. Wireless charging. 50-watt wireless charging support is also retained. My take? With this capacity, we're looking at a phone that can easily last 2 days, even with the 165 Hz refresh rate enabled. Under the hood is the most powerful engine we expect to see by the end of 2025. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8. Elite Gen 5 RAM and storage, 12 GB or 16 GB RAM options, and up to 512 GB UFS 4.1 storage. Cooling, OnePlus uses a new 360-degree cooling system called Cryo Velocity. With a 7,300 mAh battery and this processor, gaming performance is guaranteed to be at its highest level without overheating. Looking at the software and other features, operating system. It comes out of the box with Oxygen OS 16, based on Android 16. Connectivity, it supports the latest connectivity technologies such as Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. To sum it up, folks, the OnePlus 15 is made for those who say, I don't want my battery to die, I want my games to run smoothly, and I want my screen to be super fast. If you say, the most important thing for me is professional photography, then you might want to look at the OnePlus 13 or Pro models. But the 7,300 mAh battery really changes the game. What do you think about these features? Would you compromise on camera features for a 7,300 mAh battery? Be sure to mention it in the comments.